Hi, my name is Leanne. This topic addresses an integral aspect of life on the Atherton tablelands, the farming community and the water required to sustain it and ensure its continued growth and success. Agriculture is a primary industry in the region, covering an area of 65,000 square kilometres, Department of Agriculture and Fisheries 2015. The scope and diversity of tablelands farming provides a variety of crops and animal produce, including bananas, sweet corn, sugarcane, chickens, and eggs. All research was conducted online using Google and Google Scholar, which provided links to federal and state government websites. The Australian government website provided a macro perspective of the issue, and the Queensland government website offered more specific information. Google Scholar was used to access peer-reviewed articles to support my research, but it proved difficult to find credible, unbiased material because this is an emotive topic. Keywords used include water supply and agriculture, legislation, groundwater, farming, irrigation, and water management. Mareeba Shire Council reports that northern areas of the tablelands are supplied by Lake Tinaroo Dam through a comprehensive network of water channels and streams. Tablelands Regional Council reports that southern areas are supplied by natural watercourses, primarily North Johnston River, Beatrice River, Scrubby Creek, and the Upper Barron River. In previous years, the local climate of defined wet and dry seasons has sustained supply, but changing weather patterns indicate this may no longer be the case. Bureau of Meteorology. The high dependency on Tinaroo Falls Dam is a cause for concern. At full capacity, it holds 438,920 megalitres, but Sunwater reported a level of just 36% in January this year, its lowest in 10 years. Interestingly, there has been significant rainfall in the last 5 days, and the level has risen to 44%. The Australian Bureau of Statistics 2016 reported groundwater as Queensland's second largest agricultural water supply in their annual report. On the Atherton tablelands, it is found in porous volcanic basalt rock formations called aquifers that allow rainwater to pass through until it reaches impermeable materials, at which point it collects. Groundwater extraction involves drilling bores into the rock which pump the water directly to farmland for irrigation, Business Queensland. It is a complicated process and if not done correctly can result in iron bacteria pollution, which is difficult to eradicate, or pressure loss in the aquifer, leading to poor irrigation and reduced agricultural productivity. Geoscience Australia. Groundwater depletion due to extraction outweighing aquifer recharge can have serious environmental implications, such as lowering the water table, reduced surface water supply because there is no groundwater runoff, water quality concerns, higher salinity levels near coastal areas, and land subsidence. The Department of Environment and Heritage Protection 2016 warned of climate change leading to sustained higher daily temperatures which will increase soil evaporation rates, greater likelihood of drought which means increased irrigation requirements, and more intense damaging cyclones. The Queensland Climate Adaptation Strategy recommends farmers diversify crops to accommodate changes in climate, Department of Agriculture and Fisheries 2015. The Barron Water Resource Plan strictly manages sustainable water allocation across the tablelands through water licensing, Business Queensland. More efficient irrigation systems are being introduced to eliminate water wastage, Kerr 2010, Phillips 2017. Australian and Queensland governments are working collaboratively with charities to ensure long-term water sustainability across the Atherton tablelands. This project relates to the ACARA science curriculum through these strands and content descriptors. Students of all ages could take part in this research through classroom and field trip participation. However, I felt that Year 5 and 6 would produce a more in-depth report.